In the side bed along the garage, I'm planting some things for the first time. In the back row are zinnias that I started, well, let's say they got a little too leggy because they didn't have enough light. So I'm going to support them and hope they can handle that. And I've got tomatoes planted sideways in cow pots. I have tiny marigolds, and I have tiny basil. So let's move on down. So that just repeats all the way to the end, all the way down. I'm repurposing these plastic milk jugs to be used for my winter gardening. So I want to make sure I want to discourage the rabbit from eating. I don't know if rabbits like basil, but we'll see. So the first tomato, that would be a Whopper. These are all park seeds. And the second one is a Sweet Million. And then this third one is a Sun Gold, and then Sweet Million and Sun Gold. So that's what the side bed looks like along the garage. 2022.